Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to discuss about Go file structure. Here we have our hello world program. At the very first line we have package declaration. Package declaration shows us which package does this file belongs to. Here in our hello world program our source code file belongs to package main. Then we have import statement. Import statement shows us what are the functionalities we are going to use inside our source code file which belongs to outside packages. Here we have use println from package fmt, so we have import fmt package here. After that we have our function declaration. In this program we have used a special function called function main. I will explain about the function main in detail in upcoming videos. This is the basic structure of any Go source code file. At the very first we have the package declaration. Following that we have our import statements. Then we have our function declaration. That's it for today's video guys. Catch you guys on next video. Thanks. Bye.